Next up, for the collidable group, each group has its own group AABB, as seen here. And within the CPP file, we compute the data for it. This is an update group AABB function that is called in order to make sure that we have an accurate AABB. And we can also see that within the collision manager, whenever process collisions is called, we update the group AABBs once, and then we go through and execute all of our test commands. And since process collisions is only called once per frame, update group AABB is only called once per frame. So that's pretty easy. For the collision commands themselves, if we go into the test pair, we can see that we are now using a tiered test system. So we test the group AABBs versus each other. We test a B-sphere against the group AABB. Then we test two B-spheres against each other. And finally, we use the user-defined tests against each other. If they intersect, then we process callbacks. And if it fails at any point, we just kick out, and the collision does not go through. For self, it's much simpler. We don't have two different group AABBs to test against. So instead, we just use the default B-spheres here, and then we use the user-defined volumes here. And then if those pass, then the collision goes through.